Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Burp suite on Windows servers. Okay, open any web browser, then go to port swigger. I will keep this link in the video description. .com. Hit enter, then click on products. See here we have the Burp suite Enterprise, Professional, Burp suite Community. Okay, see first two are the paid one, but Burp suite Community Edition is free to use. Okay, so click on Burp suite Community Edition. Click on it. Now click on go to Start Downloads. Then see here we have the Burp suite Professional and Burp suite Community. Select it and select the Windows operating system, that is Windows x64, and click on download. See, download started and its size is 313 megabytes. Go back. See, the version is 2024.10. Okay, wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Click on this open folder or just click on this open file. Click on next. Then select the destination directory to install Burp suite, and it required disk space is 414 megabytes. If you want to change the location, click on browse and select the path where you want to install. Okay, I want to install on the same location, so click on next, and this will be the name in the start menu folder. Okay, and if you want to create shortcut for all users, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want, so unselect it and click on next. See, extraction started and will install. See, if you want documentation for Burp suite, click on support and click on documentation. Then see here we have the Burp suite tutorials. Okay. See, we have successfully installed Burp suite. So click on finish. Now go to start. See here we have the Burp suite Community Edition application. Click on it and select this one. Then click on this I accept the terms and conditions. So click on I accept. Click on next. Click on start Burp suite. If you want to get started, click on here. Okay, see here if you want to go for video tutorials, and see here we have different options. Okay, see here we have the options like dashboard, target, proxy and other information. You can go through the documentation and you can practice tasks. Okay, once download is completed, then go to downloads directory, remove this exe file. It is not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Burp suite Community Edition on Windows servers. For more cyber security tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.